Hey Team 101, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold and crude oil from 22 till 23 June. So let's begin. We are currently on a 1 day chart for the crude oil, and we can see that the market is trading some around 1747. At the opening of the market we have seen this bullish move upwards, taking the market some around 1753. Now I have drawn a ascending channel. Let me draw that. Like here. Moreover, we are bullish for the market as we have seen a surge in the number of the COVID-19 cases, and moreover the US-China tensions are rising, and the IMF has said that the global economic outbreak is even worse than before, and in its update, and we can experience a second wave of a huge sell off in the stocks, and this kind of recovery or this kind of bullish move in the gold due to the second wave of COVID-19. Here we have drawn in channel, and as expected we are expecting an downwards move towards this support zone, which would be somewhere around 1729 if the support trend line is break. I will draw that also. Going on a smaller time frame on an 4 hourly chart. Here let me draw that. Be somewhere around here. Let me draw that in zone so we do not hit our stop losses. Now on the opening of today we have seen this bullish move upwards, and now we are seeing a sale off in about 12 hours, and we have seen a sale off. Moreover, we can draw a resistance area, and we can see that the market has currently experienced an resistance zone as expected or as explained in my weekly forecast, and we were expecting an initial bearish move. Thus this bearish move could continue on Monday or on Tuesday. Thus a sale position can be created for the gold some around 1747, with our first take profit would be some around 1742, and our second take profit would be some around 1732. Our stop loss would be just placed above the resistance zone, some like this. Our first take profit will give an risk to reward of approx 1 ratio 0.5, and our second take profit will give an risk to reward of 1 ratio 1.5. In total we will get a risk to reward of 2 ratio. We will get an risk to reward of 2 ratio and a reward of 2 ratio. Thus this situation is an win or lose situation. However, we are expecting a bearish move for the gold for the Monday and Tuesday, and we are expecting that the gold could retest this support area as drawn. However, if we see any fundamental news entering the market and we see a break above on an 4 hourly candle, and that we see that the 4 hourly candle close above this range some around 1760, thus a long position can be created within a stop loss just placed some around 17. Within a stop loss just place some around the entry trigger would be 1761, with our take profit of this zone, with our stop loss just placed below this resistance zone, which would be some around 1761. This trade will give an risk reward of 1 ratio 1.6. However, this is a very unlikely situation to happen. Moreover, on 4 hourly chart we can see an ascending triangle being formed. This would be the resistance area and this would be the support. This area has been act as a major resistance, and we have seen that the market has bounces off from this area, and same is expected this time, and we can see an bearish move for the market taking the support on this support trend line, and we can see a retest towards this area. Thus, as told in my weekly prediction, we can take a long position around here with our take profit of this, and some around at some with our stop loss just placed below this support zone, and our take profit would be this if we see a test towards this zone. Now moving on crude oil. On crude oil, we are currently on 4-hourly chart. We can see that the market is currently testing in minor resistance area, which is some around 40 till 40.50 cents, and this would be end support. Moreover, by drawing this support and resistance zone, we can see that the market is trading in range bound territory. Market is taking the support of this range, then taking the resistance of this range. Then we have seen an huge sale off for the crude oil prices testing this support zone. Then we have seen a test towards this resistance. Moreover, we can draw a support trend line, and which would later act as an entry trigger point for going short for the crude oil if we see a break through this support trend line, with our take profit and the stop loss would be as shown. This would be the support trend line. If we see a break through this resistance and a close on a daily or an 4-hourly candle, thus a long position can be created after we see a breakthrough. Then we can expect a bounce back towards this resistance. This area would be a great area to go long on the crude oil, with our take profit would be updated later, and our stop loss would be placed some around. Position will be here, with the take profit would be some around 43, with our stop loss just placed some around below the resistance area, which is some around 39. This trade will give an extra of 1:1.2. Moreover, the situation which is more likely to happen is that we can see a break downwards for the crude oil testing this resistance, this support again before a bullish rally continuing. Or moreover, we can see an M pattern being formed for the crude oil as it's making an M pattern. Let me show it also from here till here and here till here. Thus, in order to continue this M pattern, we can see that the market could break this support trend line, and we can continue the move downwards either by testing this resistance area, or we can see a false breakout in this range, and the market could complete this M pattern, and we can then see a bullish rally continuing in the crude oil. Thus, we are bearish for the crude oil, and then short position can be created with our stop loss just placed some around 41, with our first take profit would be the minus support, which is some around 37. Then our second take profit would be this, some around 34. Thus, in the summary for gold and for crude oil, we both are bearish. If you do like my analysis, do like, share and comment below, and do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.